So the ingredients for this jollof rice are these three onion, Maggi cube, tasty tom, powdered pepper, and all natural spices. Welcome back. So this is actually a requested video. Someone wanted to know the recipe of my jollof from the last video. So luckily for me, I had not deleted the videos or the clips of the cooking. So I said, let me do a voiceover and show him or her how I prepare this quick and simple, delicious jollof, Ghana jollof, papa. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm just slicing my onions. I want this jollof to have a beautiful and yummiest taste, so the onions are more. If you want to cook jollof to have the taste of it, let onions be in it, like more onions, and trust me, you will love it. This is very simple, very simple and quick. If you're hungry, you can prepare this at home and eat it shabo. So I'm done cutting the onions and I'm going to blend it into a smooth paste for my stew. Okay, so this is going to enter into the blender. Please do well to like and share this video if you love it. Okay, even if you don't like even if you don't love it, kindly like and share. Okay, share, support the channel, let this video go viral. Okay, so I added a little bit of water to enable the onion blend very well. So here we are. I'm done with my blending of the onions. This jollof does not contain any special chicken sauce or whatever, but it tastes so nice. It's very simple and quick. I actually prepared this for lunch to eat because I was really starving. So in my last video, I was washing and then preparing this meal to eat. And guys, the way the food came out, so I added my oil into my saucepan and then add my tomato paste. This is actually jollof tomato paste. Okay, this is made specifically for jollof. Okay, so added my pepper, even though they have everything in it. So they have pepper, they have onions, I think. Yeah, they have it, but I want this to taste so nice, and I want it to have the pepperish taste of it. Okay, when you're eating, we do it. You see, yeah. So I added the pepper, I added my spices, and then I added my onga cube to taste. Yeah, so I allow it to cook for a while. Add my beef. I lost that clip, so I couldn't show you. I add my beef inside there and then add my onion. You see how the onion is plenty. Yeah, if you want to have a tasty jollof rice, try this recipe and you will love it. Just the secret is the onion. The secret here is the onion. Yes, so I add in my bay leaf and my rosemary. Okay, so I allow it to boil for a while and you can see it was smelling so nice here. Then I added my rice. I don't like wash rice. I don't know why. I normally pour in my rice just like that. I don't know. Yeah, that's me. Okay, I don't know about you. Okay, so yeah, after I poured my rice in my stew, you can see how it's already looking yummy, even though it's not cooked. I added a bit of water, not plenty water. It was like a half cup of water. I use 1.5 rice, okay, and I use half cup of water, and I added a little bit of salt, and you can see the outcome of this jollof looking so yummy. It was really tasty, guys, and you can try this.